This is OnePlus 5G, and today I'll show and share all that there is to know about creating and managing screenshots on this device. So in the beginning, let's go into Devices Settings, enter the Additional Settings category, and open the Screenshot Preferences. Here you can switch on all those screenshot capturing methods, and now let's try all of them. Or should I rather say, now I will simply show all available screenshot taking methods, once all those options are enabled. So first, simultaneously press volume down and power buttons. Then you can also open the control panel, find the screenshot shortcut, tap on it, and also capture a screenshot this way. You could have already noticed that this screenshot shortcut or tile can be expanded. In here you can take a regular screenshot, a scrolling screenshot, or a partial screenshot. Now you can also take a regular screenshot by swiping downwards with your 3 fingers, like that. Then you can also touch and hold with your 3 fingers to, open the partial screenshot options and, create a partial screenshot, even in free form if you wish. Then you can also hold with 3 fingers and swipe upwards to take a partial screenshot as a rectangle, like that. Then you can also take your same 3 fingers and swipe them all the way to the bottom of the page, or actually to the edge of the screen, like that, to take a scrolling screenshot. You can also take a scrolling screenshot by capturing a regular one, regardless of the method you'll use. For example, I'll press buttons. And then here, tap at the scroll option, and as you can see, or as you will see, the scrolling screenshot will be also made. And when it comes to this little mini toolbar, if you'll tap at the screenshot, you are going to open the screenshot editing interface or the screenshot editing option. From here, you can share your screenshot or delete it if it has been taken by accident, for example. Then from this little mini toolbar, you can also extract content, like that. And you can also share it right away if you would like to do that. So when it comes to screenshot taking methods and all the available methods that this phone has, that will be it. If we'll scroll down the screenshot preferences, here you'll find a bunch of additional options, such as delete original image after editing, delete screenshots after content extraction, screenshot notification, screenshot sound. So all those options you can enable or disable as you please. Then you can also switch the preview window location between left display hand side and right. Now, if you would like to find the screenshots you have captured, simply open whatever gallery app you prefer using. I'll go with probably Google Photos here. Yep. Then open Library or Albums. And as you can see, all your screenshots are being automatically saved into their separate screenshots folder. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.